Hi, this is Maya with Ricoh. This video is how to use the tally sum average feature in Relativity. This is a mass action that can be executed across the folders, the field tree, or the saved searches. Basically, any document list that you have mass actions at the bottom left-hand side of your list. To access the tally sum average feature, use the blue Edit drop-down menu and navigate to Tally Sum Average. Find the pop-up that it gives you, and here we get to generate a report of the metadata about your documents for many of the fields that are available. Tally is going to give you a count of each type for the field you select. Sum is going to add up all of the values in the field you select, and average is going to give you the average for the same field that you select. I'll start with tally, and I'll use the relativity native type field. Relativity native type gives you the type of the native file in your document list. You can see here we've got some Excel, some Word documents, and some email. And it lists the value in the left-hand column and the count of each in your right-hand column. You can export this report to an Excel spreadsheet using your export to file mass action. And this just exports this information to an Excel spreadsheet so you could send, for instance, to someone else or use it for your documentation. If we select the sum option, we'll need to find a field that allows sum. A common one to use is the relativity image count. This is a system-generated field that Relativity populates with the count of pages for every record that has TIFF images in the database. It will not tally up the number of, for instance, pages in native PDF documents. Here we have our sum is 504 pages for this total set of 129 documents. And if we wanted to see maybe the average of how many pages per document, it's about 4 pages per document. If we were to tally this, this actually gives us a good look at how many pages, how many documents have these page counts. So this is kind of a helpful metric to give you a sense of what you have in store for your review for the day, for instance. Other fields that are useful, you could do your responsiveness, privilege. If you had language identification run in your database, you could use language. Basically, any field that you have listed here, and some fields that may not be listed can be made to be tallied as well. The most common fields are number field types, multiple choice, single choice. Not so much with the long text fields or the fixed length text fields, but anything with a value that you select in your field. A useful function for this would be has images. This will give you a good sense of, for instance, if you're going to print a deposition binder, you can take a look at how many records have images that will be exported to PDF for you, and how many you'll have to go find and download as native. For instance, anything with has images is no. It's a pretty good guess that you're going to be finding maybe an Excel file, and you'll have to download that as a native, or even just give you a list of how many documents you need to create TIFF images for. So great little reporting tool, tally sum average from your mass actions tools. Good luck with your reporting and happy review.